Afternoon, Wonderpost fans, and here we are in the Wonderpost allotment, and I can tell you it's exciting because we are going to do the first of our big reveals. You will recall, if you've been following these blogs and this Wonderpost post about the allotment on YouTube, that we have got half of the allotment treated with Wonderpost, half without. But also in the autumn I did some garlic. These were 2 cloves of giant garlic from the garlic farm in the Isle of Wight. I put one in a mixture of soil and Wonderpost, and one in a mixture of straight soil in these 2 pots here. This is the one with the Wonderpost, this is the one without. Gave them the same fertiliser treatment, and here we are, we're going to do the big reveal. Roger, which one should we do first?
I think we should do, yeah, one without.
Let's do that one. Here we go then, folks, the big reveal. This is garlic. Hang on, what we need is, oh, here we go. Let's, wow, cool, you can smell that. Okay. Right, so there we have one little bulb there, Roger. Okay, that's untreated. Right, oh, look at these worms in here as well. Fantastic. Right, now let's go for the Wonderpost bit. Okay, we ready? Let's break that soil up a bit. Okay.
Wow.
And here we go. It's looking good already. The evidence is here.
Look at that, Neville.
Well done, Rog.
It's considerably bigger.
There it is. Look at that. With Wonderpost, without Wonderpost. Folks, Wonderpost really works. If you want better crops, add Wonderpost into your veg growing. Cheers.